I think one thing that is very different in 2019 than even in 2009 was the way that we build systems. We used to spend a lot of time in design, in prognosticating and predicting the way that users would use the systems. And a lot of this was because software development was expensive, hardware was expensive. You had to take some very early bets on how your system would be constructed. But what we found over the years is that this waterfall methodology doesn't work so well, particularly in the face of evolving customer needs. So what we've learned to do over the years is have a very agile methodology, building with cloud-native architectures such that we can rapidly iterate based on a minimum viable prototype, getting something into customers' hands or consumers' hands or users' hands as quickly as possible and iterating from that. And that's proven to be a much more agile approach because not only are we getting real-world data on what customers or users are doing, but we're also architecting systems in such a way that they can be evolved more quickly than the monolithic applications of yesterday.